Wala ring kinahinatnan ang ilang linggong negosasyon para sa laban ni Manny Pacquiao at Floyd Mayweather Jr. Dahil dito, hindi na matutuloy ang laban dahil hindi sila magkasundo sa paraan ng drug test. Mula Los Angeles, California, nagpapatrol Dayan Castillejo.
Hindi na matutuloy ang bakbakang inabangan sa mundo ng boxing, Manny Pacquiao kontra Floyd Mayweather Jr. Yan ang kinumpirma ni Bob Arum, promoter ni Pacquiao. Pumagitna na sa kanila ang dating federal judge na si Daniel Weinstein, pero hindi pa rin nagkasundo ang dalawang kampo sa paraan ng drug test. Pumayag na si Pacman sa 3 blood test hanggang sa 24 na araw bago ang laban, pero hindi pa rin ito tinanggap ni Mayweather. Ang gusto ni Mayweather, random blood test na maaring gawin kahit malapit na ang laban. Ang blood test na gusto ni Mayweather ay iba sa hinihingi ng Nevada Athletic State Commission sa mga laban sa boxing. Urine test ang ginagamit ng commission at pasado si Pacquiao sa lahat ng nakaraang laban. Tumanggi rin magbigay ng public apology si Mayweather matapos siyang sabihin na gumagamit ng performance-enhancing drug si Pacquiao. Ayon sa advisor ni Pacman na si Michael Contz, takot lang daw talaga si Mayweather na makasagupa ang Pinoy.
I don't think this fight's ever going to happen. And now that I look at what's transpired through the whole negotiation period and stuff, I don't think Mayweather ever intended on fighting Manny. I think he's afraid and he doesn't want to jeopardize his perfect record. He was there and watched the Cotto fight personally. I didn't see him there, but a number of our team members saw him there. And he doesn't want to jeopardize that record.
Dismayado naman si Pacquiao na hindi matutuloy ang inaabangang laban.
He's disappointed that this fight couldn't be made because, as we all know, he's a constant entertainer. He wants to give fans, no matter what he does, the boxing ring, the acting, billiards, he wants to give them the best performance he could. And he knows that this fight is the fight of the century, and that's why he took it without hesitation. We know, too, that it was the hardest fight of his career.
Pero lalaban pa rin si Pacquiao sa Marso. Susubukan makuha ni Pacquiao ang kanyang ika-8 world title at posibleng makasagupan niya si Yuri Foreman, ang kampiyon ng 154-pound division. Dayan Castillejo, Patrol ng Pilipino, Los Angeles, California.